Hello guys, today I want to show you how to do with uh lambda high order function here. So on the right side you can see there are four functions, four lambda function. I hope you guys understand what is the lambda function here. Yeah, and here is the question. This is the question here, and these are the dot string. So that's the explanation of this function. That's the purpose of this function, and this is a dot test. Yeah, in the terminal. So all of this, and our text is complete the make repeater function here. So that, so you can pause the video and look at those. Okay, and I assume of you understand what is the purpose of this function here. And make repeater. Function in. So first of all, you can see there. So using the higher order function. Oh yeah, right. I forgot to say. Yeah, you first of all you have to understand what is the higher order function means here, and you have to know the lambda function here. Actually, the lambda function is not a big issue in this function, but you have to understand what's the lambda function here. So if you get the value, the argument is the x, so it returns the x times the x, so that's the square, right? So that's the example. Okay, so today we are not focusing on the square. No, we are not focusing on the lambda function. Yeah. So let's see how to solve this one. So I'm gonna create one more inner function. So that's result x, and return the result function. Not calling the function. Don't call the function. Don't call the function here. Because if you call the function, the syntax here, it turns out in the terminal, it will call the function. It will help you to, it will help you to call the function. So you don't need to call the function inside the function. So don't call the function. Just write down the function definition. No, just write down the function name. Okay. No. Actually, you can use the lambda function instead of using the high order function. It's up to you. But right now I'm using the high order function here because I think in this situation the high order function is maybe useful, maybe convenience here. Yeah. So okay, let's use the for loop, or you can use the while loop. It's up to you. For loop for the I in the range of the n. I hope you guys understand what the range function means here. Okay, so the x equals to the function of x. You're updating the x every time, every loop. Update the x using the function. So what is the function? The function can be the square function, identity function, triple function, or the increment function. These four functions. So that's the function. This argument. Yeah. So updating the x in each time. And then return the x. So that's all. So it's not quite cut. I forgot to add a column. There's a column here. So it must work. a check that is working here. So actually, I think I don't need to understand. I don't think I need to explain this stuff. It's easy to understand right here. So this question is not really is not really typical here. Okay, so if you have any ideas or any problems, feel free to comment. See you.